Cash Giraffe gift cards don't use a single universal coin amount, because each reward is priced separately inside the app's redemption system, based on the card type and value. By the end, you'll understand how coin pricing works, why different gift cards require different amounts, and how to estimate what you need before you start grinding. Start with a core system. Cash Giraffe assigns a coin cost to each gift card, instead of using one fixed conversion rate for everything. Now, explain what that means. A small gift card will require fewer coins, while higher value cards require significantly more, because they sit in different reward tiers. Now, explain the key factor. The type of gift card matters more than anything else when it comes to how many coins you need. Now explain a common mistake. Many users assume all gift cards cost the same amount of coins, but the system adjusts based on the reward size and availability. Now, explain how pricing behaves. Coin requirements can change depending on demand, app updates, and which rewards are currently active in the store. Now explain how users should approach it. The best way to figure out exact requirements is to check the reward section inside Cash Giraffe before you start collecting coins. Now explain how to plan faster. Instead of guessing, focus on selecting the specific gift card you want and tracking its listed coin requirement directly in the app. Now explain earning efficiency. Higher reward games inside Cash Giraffe usually help you reach expensive gift cards faster because they generate more coins per session. Now explain consistency. Regular, uninterrupted gameplay sessions help your coin balance grow more reliably than short, inconsistent sessions. Now explain a common slowdown. Interrupting gameplay or switching apps too often can reduce tracked earnings and slow progress toward your target reward. Now summarize the core idea. Cash Giraffe gift card costs vary because each reward has its own coin price based on value and category. The most accurate way to know requirements is to check the reward list inside the app. And progress speed depends more on game selection and tracking consistency than guessing coin totals. One practical next step. Open Cash Giraffe. Choose the exact gift card you want, and note its coin requirement so you can focus only on reaching that specific target. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe breakdowns that explain how rewards actually work instead of guessing numbers.